Digimon Keychain Digital Monster. I'm Joost from Kids Toy Studio and I'm here with the Digimon Keychain Digital Monster. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Here's a little Digimon book. You can see detailed instructions on how to play this. And here's just the little Digimon gamepad. So it has like a cool keychain here, and you have this in a lot of different colors, so that's also pretty cool. This one is a glow-in-the-dark one, so that's an extra bonus, but you also have just really cool colors. And when you first want to use this, because the batteries are already in there, you can just take off this little thing here, and then the battery will be connected. Oh, it immediately turns on here, so that's also pretty handy. Okay, so let's start using this. The timer goes off and now it will hatch. So there's my little Digimon, and it's pretty cool. You have all these different icons for health, the feed, what it's eating. You can train it. You can do a Digivice battle. You have lights to wake it up or put it to sleep. You have medical attention to heal wounds. You have an album where you can see images of all your Digimons, and you can connect them together with two Digivices, so that's also pretty cool. And you get an alert, an alarm when the Digimon needs attention. So this is really like the old Tamagotchis we used to have, but a little bit more advanced and with a Digimon team, so that's pretty cool. So there's the little monster. You can start giving him things like a pill, so you can eat that or swallow that. Now with this button you can select all of these things, all of these icons, to start doing those. So this one is the health, the weight and age, so let's go into that. And you can see that the Digimon, and he's pretty hungry, he has only one heart left. Let's go out of that and go into feed, so you can select something to give him. Select this one so you can eat again, so you can eat that, and go out of that again. This one is training. Oh, so it's a little Digimon battle. So there are a few games you can play here as well. This is the Digivice battle. Then you can give him medical attention if he needs it. It's the album where you can see images or make one. So that's what was recorded. So there's really a lot to do here with the, go back with the Digimonster here. So another training. So all in all, this is a really cool device that kids can carry along with them very easily because of the hanger here, little chain hook, and it's really fun to play. There are a lot of modes and you can really take care of a little Digimon with this. So if your kid loves Pokemon, I really recommend this for them.